Hello everyone, glad you're here. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to block notifications in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. Notifications can sometimes be distracting, so turning them off helps keep your browsing experience smooth and interruption-free. Let's dive right into the steps. Open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. After that, go down and select Site Settings. Now tap on Site Permissions from the list of options. Here, select Notifications. This option manages whether websites can send you notifications. Finally, turn off the toggle switch for notifications to block all notifications from websites while using Microsoft Edge. To sum up, disabling notifications on Microsoft Edge Mobile is simple and effective for reducing distractions. Follow these steps anytime you want to manage your browsing alerts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.